Hello, this is Adam, and here's your free tip Friday. Have you ever had to cut out a circle and you didn't have the proper size hole saw? Big enough, small enough, any of that kind of stuff. Take your drill, take a Sawzall blade, drill down the Sawzall blade, take a pencil, however long you need, or whatever width. Say we need a 3-inch hole. So you would make it right there at 1.5 inches. You take this, and you would stay locked in whatever slot. You can make a bigger hole. You can even go real big if you wanted to. Too big for the plywood. So whatever size hole you need, just measure it out. You can get whatever size circle you need. And there's your free tip Friday.